Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you what if the virus didn't happen. Without the pandemic, hospitals and healthcare systems wouldn't have faced the overwhelming strain caused by COVID-19 patients. Elective surgeries and routine care wouldn't have been delayed, and healthcare workers wouldn't have experienced the extreme burnout seen during the crisis. Many businesses, especially in sectors like travel, tourism, and hospitality, wouldn't have experienced the extreme losses they did. The global economy likely wouldn't have faced the dramatic recession that was triggered by pandemic-related shutdowns. Schools and universities would have continued operating as usual, avoiding the massive transition to online learning. This would likely prevent learning losses and disparities created by lack of access to online resources for some students. People wouldn't have faced the same levels of isolation and restrictions on social interaction. The mental health challenges tied to lockdowns, fear of infection, and loss of loved ones might have been less severe. The rapid adoption of online services, telehealth, e-commerce, and virtual collaboration tools, driven by the pandemic, would likely have occurred at a slower pace. Companies like Zoom, Amazon, and others may not have seen the same explosive growth. International travel would have continued relatively unrestricted. The aviation and tourism industries would have continued growing without the massive losses caused by travel bans and restrictions. Governments wouldn't have had to implement the extensive public health measures, stimulus packages, and emergency policies that were adopted worldwide. The global emphasis on public health, infectious diseases, and preparedness for future pandemics would likely be lower. The focus on funding and research for global health initiatives might have remained at pre-pandemic levels. Also, if Lankybox sees this, then they are a virus that give cringe to little kids over the age of 6. Parents, if you see this, make sure you don't make your kids watch Lankybox anymore. I don't care if they're entertaining, all I care is they are dumb. If you say Lankybox is awesome, then you must be 6 years old.